Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video that's slightly different from what I used to do. And today I'm going to be talking about the reasons and personal experiences as to why I left technical consulting. As you may have seen through my past videos and shorts, I've talked a lot about tech consulting, consulting career, consulting salary, tips for consulting, so a lot about consulting. Although I've worked in consulting for multiple years and it was a great experience, I ultimately decided that consulting wasn't the right place for me as I started to move forward and grow in my career. And here are some of the reasons why. The first reason is that consulting is a high stress environment where you're always on essentially and trying to deliver to the best of your ability. I mean, sometimes putting 110% into projects so that you can deliver the projects either on time or early to satisfy the client. And sometimes the clients would have these tremendous amount of tasks and expectations for you. And your goal as a consultant is to try your best to deliver to their expectations and meet their needs. And as a result, you can be working overtime, trying to cut corners, but do so safely in order to deliver the right features on time and all that good stuff. So this constant pressure to perform and deliver was extremely overwhelming. And then I realized that I needed to prioritize my well-being over my career, where I wanted to make sure I have work-life balance and my mental health is on top of its game. Because I'm a true advocate for mental health and work-life balance, specifically in corporate America, since a lot of companies and organizations out there in corporate America don't really prioritize these things. The other reason is the lack of choosing your projects, or also known as limited control on your projects. As a consultant, I often find myself working on projects that I'm really not interested in or passionate about. For me, my interest lies in mental health, social good, nonprofits, an industry that can make an impact. Rather, my experiences have been that I've been put on more of corporate America, Fortune 500 companies, where I was there to do two things, reduce expenses with technical solutions, or two, bring in technical solutions to increase money, essentially making wealthy companies even wealthier. While I really enjoyed the aspect of problem solving and working with awesome teammates, I felt like I didn't really have control over my 40 to 50 hours a week that I put into work to do something that I'm passionate about. The last reason why I decided to leave consulting is the idea of not having a stable job or a stable career. Because consulting is pretty much client and industry dependent. If the industry or the clients are doing really well, then you'll definitely have projects to work on for the foreseeable future. However, during the pandemic and when COVID hit, we actually experienced a reduction in force within my organization. And that was the first time I have ever experienced something like a layoff that happened. And it was due to our clients not being able to pay their bills to us, and so we won't have the money to pay for our employees. Essentially, it causes a ripple effect. I see this happening too in the current day when tech companies don't have enough money. They'll cut projects that are not going to make money, or cut projects that are not essential. And that means usually projects that are not essentials are consulting projects. I've seen people within my past organization actually get laid off, and that has always been in the back of my mind, is that I want something a little bit more stable, something that can allow me to keep on growing within my career and within the industry that I want. In the end, I realized the consulting path was not the right one for me. I do want to say that tech consulting has opened a lot of doors for me, from the amount of networks that I have to the industry knowledge that I have, and also to the experience that I gain as a tech consultant, from being able to solve complex problems, work with ambiguity, as well as be able to know how to present and communicate technical knowledge to non-technical folks. And so now you're thinking, okay, Paul, now that you left consulting, where are you currently at? Well, my exit strategy is that I started looking for things that I was passionate about, and ultimately got into a nonprofit working within their tech company. If you're currently working as a tech consultant or any consultant, and you feel that the consulting lifestyle is not for you, it's okay to have an exit strategy. Some exit strategy that you may have is that you can go to startups, you can go to nonprofits, small businesses, big businesses if you like, or create your own business. So as you can see, you have a lot of exit strategies as consultants, because as I mentioned before, it opens the door for you in so many ways. Alright, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.